This bill is one big, beautiful betrayal of the working class and poor Americans who were told that Donald Trump would lower prices and make their lives easier. And despite both Trump and Speaker Mike Johnson telling the American people over and over again that they would not touch Medicaid, this bill makes at least $625 billion in cuts to Medicaid, and it kicks 13.7 million Americans off their health care. It makes life harder for most Americans, and it raises costs for basic economic needs. So you gotta ask why. Why are they doing this? It is all to give the richest Americans over $7 trillion in tax breaks, almost $300,000 tax break to anyone in the top 0.1 of 1% of the wealthiest, $68,000 tax break for anyone who's a millionaire. Nearly 70% of the bill's benefits go to the top 20% of the wealthiest Americans. But you, the person who relies on Medicaid, the most essential healthcare program in America that serves 72 million Americans, including 38 million kids, or the family that relies on nutrition assistance of literally just $2 per meal because you're hungry, you're out of luck. No money for your basic needs. Medicaid pays for nearly half of all births in the United States, including, by the way, a whopping 64% of the births in Speaker Johnson's home state of Louisiana. It pays for 60% of nursing home stays across the country. It makes it possible for kids to see a doctor when they get sick, for moms to afford the medications that their kids need, for parents to get necessary care for chronic conditions, and for seniors to get the long-term care they need.